If you are looking forward to buying your first zoom lens, or if you want to upgrade from your crappy kit lens, this video is for you. Hello people, what was my most used lens of 2017? 2017 because every year it is not the same, and in 2017 it was the 24-70mm right here that I used so much that the rubber, the grip, came off, although it shouldn't. Canon? At this price tag, it should stay on it, come on. So let's jump into it. The number one reason why you should own this 24-70mm is for portraiture. Yes, it gives you the right distance between you and your subject. You're not too close, you're not too far. You can mostly do anything with it, from headshots to group shots. I actually made an entire CrossFit photoshoot with that lens. If you wish to see the full video, the link is in the description. I also use it extensively in my dance photography. Check out last week's video and also the blog post, entirely shot with the 24-70. And for all of you guys asking for technical details, aperture, shutter speed, ISO, etc., it's all there. Reason number two, the human eyes are the equivalent of two 50mm lenses on a full frame body. So of course 50 is in the range of the 24-70, 24mm on one end and 70mm on the other, which isn't too extreme. So it's really easy to get used to that lens and to learn how to use it properly. Reason number three, if you are a landscape and architecture photographer, this lens could be for you. I'm not an architecture photographer and not a landscape one either, but if you look closely at some of my shots, architecture plays an important part in my pictures. I find that at 24mm, I get that perfect balance where I can have a person or a performer, whatever, in front of my lens without having too much distortion and much of the environment in one shot. For me, it was the perfect introduction to wide angle lenses. I talked about wide lenses in a previous video, and going wide on 24mm could be disturbing or difficult for some. Arm, head, toe, anything. It's gonna be warped, distorted, and it's not gonna look good. So really keep this in mind. If you do play with distortion, do it intentionally. I personally wouldn't go past this type of shot. I made this shot with Canon's 11-24mm lens at 11mm, yes. So this lens, in my opinion, is perfect to dive into wide angle lenses. I wouldn't choose the 16-35 or the 17-40. You might consider 24-105, but if I had to choose, I would still choose the 24-70. So I guess that was the third reason why you should own the 24-70. So what's the fourth? Why should you have a 35, a 24, a 50, and plus prime lenses in your bag when you can only have one unique lens on your camera body? I've shot events, live performances with this lens. I've said it before, I even have done in the past full photo shoots with only the 24 and 70mm. You have a winner there. So reason number 5 why you should own that 24-70mm It's well built, it's robust, it's weather sealed, and I believe that the Nikon version is also a fantastic lens. It's f2.8, so you can use it in low light situations. And yes, I said it's well built, although the thing is coming off, but you have to take care of your gear, and I'm not really gentle with mine. Of course, you're gonna have a lot of people telling you that it's better to take pictures with prime lenses, and they are right. Prime lenses perform way better than zoom lenses, but if you want to have less gear on you, I think that lens is the way to go. I never had any complaints about the quality of my pictures using that particular lens. So yes, if you were hesitating on getting your first good versatile zoom lens, I would probably definitely recommend this one. So that's it for me this week. I am actually preparing to move out from the French Riviera. We're heading up north, and we will be in London very soon. Yes, London. If you don't want to miss out on my next trips, please follow me on Instagram, HK Visuals, of course. Like and share this video for support and show some love. It will push me to keep on posting. Of course, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and that little bell button just beside it if you don't want to miss next week's post. So see you boys and girls next week, and until then, have a good one.